Now the question before us is the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Now the question is make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. That is, we are to take into consideration what is written after this decimal point. That is from this point 1 to next. We will count all these entries. We will not take into consideration this 3. So what is given? These are the digits which has been given to us, and we are to make the frequency distribution. So now what is given to us? These are the digits. So now what we are to do? We are to count the same. That is, we will form a column of tally, and then we will have to find out the frequency, that is the number of times the particular digit has appeared in the data. So these will be the columns of our table, frequency distribution table. So what will be the digits? Digits will be this 1, 4, these all. So we will start from 0. 0, 1 is there, 2 is there, whether 3 is there? Yes, 3 is there. 4 is there? Yes, 4 is also there. 5 is there? Yes, 5 is there. 6 is there? Yes, 6 is there. 7, this. 8, this. 9, then no entry is 10. So all the entries are 0 to 9. So here we will write total, and this is the outer view of the table. So now we will draw lines so that there is no confusion at any stage, and we are able to arrive at the correct answer easily. To avoid any confusion, we draw these lines. By drawing these lines, we will be forming proper cell so that the relevant entry is put into the relevant column and relevant row. So the next, first is 1, where the entry of 1 comes digits in digits, it comes here. Then 4, digit 4 falls here. 1, it falls here. 5 here. 9 here. 2 here. 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9. What we are doing? We are counting the number of times a particular digit has appeared in the data. 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3. When we are counting for the fifth time a particular digit, we will draw line this so that we may not have to count all the numbers again. 8, 3, 2, 7, 9, 5, 0, 2, 8, again 8. This is for the fifth time. So we have drawn line, this line. 4, 1, 9. This is for the fifth time. 7, 1, 6, 9, 3, 9, again 9, 3, 7, 5. This is for the fifth time. So we draw line this. 1. This is for the fifth time. 0. So now we count the frequency of the particular digit, the total of the same. This is 2. Digit 1 appeared 5 times. Digit 2 appeared 5 times. Digit 3 appeared 5 plus 3 8 times. Digit 4 appeared 4 times. Digit 5 appeared 5 times. Digit 6 appeared 4 times. Digit 7 appeared 4 times. Digit 8 appeared 5 times. Digit 9 appeared 8 times. Now we will do total of all the frequencies so that we may find out whether we have accounted for all the digits while making this frequency table. 7, 12, 20, 24, 29, 33, 37, 42 plus 8, 50. So we have now formed the frequency distribution of digits. Now what is the next point in this question? The next point is, what are the most and least frequently occurring digits? That is the digit which appeared most times and which appeared least times. So we come to the table again. So what item has appeared most rarely? That is the minimum times. This is the 2. This is the 0 digit which has appeared only on 2 occasions. And what are those digits which have appeared mostly? 8. This is the maximum. And this digit, that is the digit 9, has also appeared maximum. So what is the question? Most frequently occurring digit. So most frequently occurring digit is 3 and 9. 3 and 9. How many times they have come appeared? 8 times each. 3 and 9, 8 times. So now what is the least frequently occurring digit? Least frequently occurring digit. What is the least frequency occurring digit? That is the digit which appeared very less times, and that is the zero digit, which has appeared only 2 times. So this was the question, what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits, and now we have solved it here, because without seeing this table we would not have been able to give the answer, while when you are appearing in the exam you are to write this after the table. Hope we have been able to clarify this question in a very simple manner. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.